Hi, today we've got something truly exciting to talk about, the Asian Paints Handheld Air Blower. This handy tool is about to become your best friend in the battle against sticky dust. First, let's dive into unboxing and explore its amazing features. The packaging is neat and compact. It comes with an instruction manual to make it easy for you to understand. The variable speed switch allows you to control the airflow, making it perfect for different surfaces. The best part is that this air blower is powerful enough to remove sticky dirt from ACs, computers, cars, or any other plain surface. This is how you attach it to the main unit. And that's about it for installation. Now we'll start using it. And first I'm starting with a dusty computer. Now, unlike the small vacuum cleaners, this is actually far more powerful and definitely better than using a cloth. The ergonomic design goes into all nooks and corners. And cleaning a sofa is also very easy with this, as I'll show you the before and after. This will save you a lot of money in comparison to any kind of professional sofa or upholstery cleaning. It's versatile and incredibly handy for maintaining a clean home or workspace. Now, I feel that it is a little bit loud, but considering we only have to use it once a week or once a month, it's fine. Even with vacuum cleaners, you actually have to reach into these corners, whereas with a blower you can do this job much easier and it covers a larger space. Asian Paints handheld blower is easy to operate. It's lightweight, ergonomic, and the controls are intuitive. Generally, there is a lot of dust that is in these window panels, and I'm very happy with how the blower has cleaned it. Hope you found this video helpful. Link is in the description box.